Hello, my name is Alan. Now just want to share with you how to order rubber keychain. Number one, if you want to order one side embossed, this is sample we show you. The thickness is about 4 to 5 mm. So you can see all the thickness embossed is about 5 mm. Okay. This is also same, one side embossed. The first is you must have the Pantone color code and you must have the electrical file, so you can see it's very sharp and clear. Okay, number two, if you want to order the two side one, like example this one, first design is front design is like Facebook and back design is your message. Or you also can design something like this. Behind there is the tag, contact number, and you become your number tag. Or front and back is the same design. Or you some special request, you want the thickness more bulky. It's about 1 cm. This is special made. How about if you have the full color graphic? That we will provide you called full color printing one side. This is a printing effect. The base must apply on white color base. This also. The full color thing, because the got gradient, got dark shadow. So, or you have the special request like your product, you can order like the shoe 3D. But this one takes some time because it's have the 3D drawing. Or you have a box. Put sheet. Or you want to apply the car. This become the collection item already. Oh. Taekwondo the shoe. This is all done by us. So anything can email me. We can help you the design and share more idea. Thanks for